In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Lenovo computer or laptop. There are two methods to resetting your Lenovo computer or laptop. First is going to be through just settings, and the second one is going to be through the recovery mode. So first, in the search bar, type in reset and click on reset this PC. Under recovery options, you'll see reset this PC and click on reset PC. You can choose to keep your files or remove everything. I'll choose keep my files. And you can choose here for a cloud install of Windows or a local install of Windows. I'll choose cloud. Choose the additional settings and click on next, and you will successfully reset your Lenovo laptop. So now I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Lenovo laptop through the recovery mode. First, go down to the Windows icon, left click on it, click on the power button, and while holding down the shift key, click on restart. Once your laptop or computer has restarted, go to troubleshoot and click on reset this PC. Go through the reset process, and that's how you reset your PC. And that's how you reset your laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.